NASA has released amazing audio from a pair of black holes that was captured by one of its space telescopes. So what does a black hole sound like? Hell, or maybe heaven? Based on new work by the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory's Chandra X-ray Center, it depends on the black hole, and how you listen. Vacuous space, for the most part, lacks a continuous medium for the transmission of sound waves. But sound is just one kind of wave, and NASA and the Chandra X-ray Center have built up a catalog of celestial sonifications, taking the emissions of space objects observed in visual light, X-ray, and other parts of the electromagnetic spectrum, and converting the patterns to audible frequencies we can hear. So, let's listen to the sound of the black hole together. Before that, if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. So, here is how black hole sounds like.